Yeah, yeah, so welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord. You can call me Arbitrage Lord. Yeah, so for this month, but bank to P2P is very good. It's very good. The rate is very good and it's going on well. Yeah, so that's why I've been doing bank to P2P arbitrage every day for you all to see. But I have a class coming up on the 28th of this month. That's March. Yeah. And the class ticket link is in the bio and in the description and in the comment section as well. And it's going out for just 30 points, $20. Yeah, just $30.20. Yeah, and you are good to go. Yeah, so in this class, I'll be teaching you how to do crypto arbitrage, exchange to exchange arbitrage, bank to P2P arbitrage, same exchange arbitrage, and I'll also give you the AI bot for free. The bot that trades for you, I'll give it to you for free. Yeah, so just click on the link and purchase your ticket and you'll be added to the group automatic, and when the time is due we'll start. That's I think next week Saturday. Yeah, so let's proceed. Okay. Yeah, so this one is P2P, and when I come to the P2P over here, the buy is what 11.57, and the sell is what is 11.60 Ghana cedis. Yeah, so it means that I can do something, because like when I checked on the broker, it was 11.16. Yeah, it means that I'll be making profit. Yeah, so this is how I'll do it. Before you do bank to P2P arbitrage, first of all, you need a bank. You need a bank card, that's credit card or Visa card. You need an exchange and a broker and a mobile money or Vodafone cash or any local listing that you have. Yeah, then you are good to go. Yeah, so let me go to the broker. So when it comes to the broker, you can see that here is Ghana cities. I select Ghana cities because I'm in Ghana. That is why I select Ghana cities, right? And over here you choose USDT, but you have to choose USDT BEP20 chain, because when you choose USD TRC20 chain, you can see that the rate was, you can see that getting USDT sum of for 300 Ghana cedis, I'll be getting what 22 USDT, and it's lost to me. So I'll go in for the BEP20 on or Polygon on. Yeah, so 20 on 300 Ghana cedis, I'll be getting what 26 points what 3. So if I'm trading with 1000 Ghana cedis, I'll be getting 87.93. And here right now, like the rate is up small. It was 11.16, but right now it's 11.20, but still you'll be making profit. Yeah, and you pay your fee and everything. So after that you'll be getting 87.93. So let me quickly open to my exchange. Before you ever trade, you have to check this thing first so that you will not end up making losses. So it was what 87.93. 87.93. So if I'm trading with 87.93, I'll be getting 19 Ghana cedis as what? As profit. And someone will be saying that, oh, 19 Ghana cedis there, say it's so. Imagine 19 Ghana cedis times 10 is what? It's 190 Ghana cedis. And one thing about arbitrage is that the higher your capital, the higher the profit. So if you have higher capital, you'll be getting what? Higher profit. So if I'm trading with $1,000, 1,000 Ghana cedis, I'll be getting 19 Ghana cedis. Imagine if I'm trading with 10,000 Ghana cedis. And one thing about this is that we have some few banks that you can use their credit card or their bank card to do bank to P2P arbitrage. There's not any bank that accepts it. So when you join the class too, I'll also show you the banks that you need, the banks that you can use your bank card to do all these things. I'll teach you everything from scratch. Yeah, so join this month's class and let